What's up, team? Fullest, this is again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my canal. So today I'm going to do another juice. I'm gonna make another fruit juice. So these are all my ingredients. You guys know whenever I buy my vegetables and fruits, I always soak them in apple cider vinegar and baking soda because your girl have allergic to certain stuff. So I always soak my product, and these are the containers where I'm going to put my juice whenever I'm done. When I'm done, I got this container from a store called named Zeeman if you live in the Netherlands. They're very affordable. I got it for €1. So I'm just done sanitize everything, washed everything, make sure everything is clean, and then I'm just gonna soak my fruit for like a few minutes. These are the rest of the fruit. We're going to make some coconut milk, something with pineapple, mango, like all beautiful, juicy. Love it, love it. And I'm also gonna make some carrot juice with the kids. That will be on a separate video. That video will be up before this one. So if you guys have not seen that carrot juice video, I will leave it for you guys right here up. So guys, go and check it out. So these are the fruits. I have my celery, I have my ginger, cucumber, apple, lemon, and kiwi. I have a lot of fruit, a lot of fruit. Like, I'm gonna make so many things. I'm so excited. So I'm gonna show you guys a few of the things, but if you guys are interested in details video on some of the recipe that I make, let me know in the comment box, because I didn't actually show everything, or else the video will be long. I'd only show you guys how I make the celery juice with the cucumber and everything. This is my juicer, but your girl is going to upgrade to a new juicer. So hopefully when I do my next video, I will have my new juicer at hand. So this is the first recipe. Here we have some celery, some apples, some cucumber, and some ginger. If you're somebody who does not like spice, you can take off the ginger and use just the 3 ingredients, but I like a little bit spice, so that's the reason why I add the ginger, just for the ginger to give it a little bit of spice. But the cucumber and the apple are also pretty good enough. They will help to calm down the taste of the celery. If you're somebody who does not like the taste of celery juice, I do not mind the taste of celery because I love celery juice. It's one of my favorite juice. It's very good for cleaning your body. It's so good to help build your immune system. Very good. Have a lot of vitamins, so I don't really mind the taste. I'm used to the taste. But if you're somebody who does not like the taste, so now we are going to juice. Some of you guys know I got my juicer from a shop called named Aldi in the Netherlands. It's pretty good juicer, not the best, but pretty good. I'm happy with it. That's why I'm trying to upgrade to a better one. So I'm just going to juice, and I'm going to put my container like that because the bottle is kind of big. It's kind of big, but later I'm going to put a cup underneath, and I'm just going to fill the cup and then pour it in the container because the container is too big. It can't really stand. But the juicing is going pretty good. I really love this recipe here. This like 4 ingredients together is something that I really like. I'm just going to put a candle there just to hold the container not to fall down, you know. Yes. I really like it, and it's super nice. I love this ingredient here. It is very beautiful, and it's one of my favorite. It's one of my favorite. I really love celery juice. So I'm just gonna keep on blending, and I'm blending on a low, not on high speed, on a low speed, because these are no, I cut everything into piece. So you don't, there's no need for me to blend everything on a high speed. I think low speed is good. So now it's like the bottle is getting fuller, but it's too big, so I'm just gonna change and put a glass container, and I'm just gonna be pouring the container into the bottle. I think that's, for me, it's the best because the bottle are just too big, and I don't have these other containers. But the next juice that I'm buying do have a separate, like those container where you can put the juicer in it. So hopefully I will get that one very soon. But you guys can see it's beautiful. The celery, The apple has a lot of juice, and the ginger just makes the flavor. Mwah, I love it. So yeah, you guys can see how green, and the color of the celery has cooled down a little bit because of the apple, the ginger, and the cucumber. But the celery is beautiful. You can get your celery at any store you want. I get all my vegetables and fruits at the organic store because yeah, I just like organic vegetables and fruits. I prefer that one because of I do have allergies. So yeah, but even though I bought stuff from the organic store, I still do soak them. I still do make sure I wash it very well and I soak it very well so you guys can see the juice is beautiful. So I'm just gonna juice everything, like juice everything. Make sure the container is full the entire container. So guys, this is the first one I did. This is the first one, and I really like it. Some of these ones I'm going to show you guys. They are just like herbs. They're herbs, but they're also juicer. But I don't know if some of you guys will like the taste. Like this one is actually medicine purpose because all of the stuff I learned from my grandma and my love for fruit and vegetables. So this is cloves seed. I have cloves seed here and ginger and some pineapple. So what I did is I peel off the ginger and the pineapple and then I boiled them. I boiled the ginger and the pineapple and I add a little bit of cloves seed also in it and I boiled it. But before I did that, I make sure I wash the ginger, the pineapple. I make sure I wash it very nice. I wash the skin very nice. So you got to do that. And then after boiling that, now I'm going to take the ginger, the inside of the pineapple and the ginger, the good side. I'm just going to fill in the container, not all of it, but just as much as I needed in there. I'm just going to put it in there. And this one, you can actually leave it for it to sit at least 1 or 2 days to get that clove taste in it. But because I also boil the hot water, it will extract the taste of the cloves very easily. But I do actually leave it for at least a day or two for it to sit down, and then you get the best taste, the best result. If you do not like spicy stuff, then I'll tell you not to add the clove in it. But I do like clove. I do like clove seed. I don't know if I'm pronouncing them correctly. If I'm not, excuse me for my pronunciation. But I do like this. So now that I've filled in the container to my liking, I am going to drain out the water from the pineapple and the ginger, the one I cooked. I'm going to drain out the water, and that water is what I'm going to use to fill in the bottle. Yes, I'm going to fill in the bottle. The water is pretty hot, so that is going to help to get the cloves seed, like extract all the nutrients and the vitamins out of the cloves seed. So the water is going to change a little bit, not too much, just a little bit. But after this, it tastes really good. It tastes, you can actually later on eat the pineapple in the container if you want. You can eat the ginger if you like spicy like me. If not, you can just take the ginger out and just drink the water. So yeah, now I'm just going to fill that one in. And this one, I'm actually going to leave it to soak for a day, and then I'm going to eat it. So this is the second recipe. The other ones I'm just going to show you guys pictures because I didn't want this video to be too long. I'm just going to try to show you guys pictures and explain to you guys what I did. Some of this stuff it's very easy. I really love it. Some of this stuff I learned it from my mom, from my grandma. Some of them are medicine purpose, some of them are just yeah, to my love for fruits and vegetables. So this second recipe that I'm going to show you guys is just 2 ingredients. I can't remember the name of the red fruit in English. I only know the Dutch name, and ginger. So you're going to blend these two together. As you guys can see, I have my blender there. You're going to boil hot water, because boiled hot water, leave it to cool down for a minute, blend it together, and then extract the water out, put it in the container. This was a little bit messy doing it, so yeah. And the next recipe is ginger, turmeric and lemon, and the next one is coconut. So guys, these are all the juice that I make. I hope you all like this video. If you guys do, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and Facebook like page. All the links will be down in the description box. Team Fullest, thank you guys so much. Peace out. Bye.